Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can unhide page from Google search, or like from how it can be searchable in Google. So what you want to do is just click on menu pages, and I got to select the about here, right? So when I'm going to the three dots and I'm going to click SEO Google, you want to just scroll down below and like show this page in search results and click on. And this is how you can pretty much do it. So again, you are in Wix, then just click here menus and pages. And when you're going to be here, click on about and three dots or whatever site you got, SEO Google, and just change the show this page in search results. So this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.